Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. 65 degrees outside, cloudy, but it's not bad right now. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T. First in the chat, baby. What's going on, Dark Bro? Second to Lemon Lust, man. We got Lemon Lust, Dark Bro, Lemon Lust, Peter, Dark Bro, Lemon Lust. All three of you guys, thank you very much for being in here right now. Pika Power, thank you very much. And I'm going to be playing it a couple times today because my man Pat, okay, this dude is a savage. He sends Streamlabs super chats when we're not even on stream. So I'm going to play it a couple times today. You guys can remind me. And it was a pretty big super chat. So we're going to play that. Remind me to play it a couple times just to make sure that all of the bros know that Pat loves you guys, man. Hey, hope that all is well. You know what, Pat? I know you might not be in here right now, but all is well, my friend. Missing the streams and the bro fam, but never a chance to hydrate. Ooh, I gotta fill this up. Oh, thank you very much, Pat. But never a chance to hydrate. Send my regards to everyone and have an awesome day. Guys, I am going to go put a little bit of water in here because I'm going to play that Streamlabs, that Super Chat a couple times just so I can authorize my own hydration because my throat was feeling it after yesterday. You guys need to make sure that I drink a little bit more with how much that I talk during these streams. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys can still hear me or not, but I'm going to fill this water up right now just a little bit. Then I'm going to come back in there. I'm going to be authorizing hydrations all day today. Pat, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Absolutely love it, dude. And the fact that this dude's over there thinking about the bros when he's not even on stream, Pat is an absolute legend. So thank you very much, Pat. And make sure when you guys see that dude in the Discord, you tell him what's up, you tell him thank you, and you tell him you miss him. Good morning to you, Pika. Morning, Dark Bro. What's going on, Dark Bro? Pika, Sarah. How you doing, Sarah? This, that, 50 Shades of Green. Hit the like button. Hit the like button for Richie, too. Richie, man, I saw a video, watched a little bit of a video. Didn't watch the whole thing because I'm busy recording videos in the morning, man. But I saw your video you posted, and very nice, dude. You guys, if you don't follow Richie, I don't know why, man. Support the bro. He's there. He's literally here every single day, same as we are. Dark Bro equals king. Pika equals queen. New internet relationship, I don't know. Better watch out for Pika's Pika's divorced internet husband. If you're going that way, yo, bros, what's going on? J-Bones, baby. Peter Banfield. Oh, yeah. And Lemon, I like it. Bourbon, something. Mr. Bourbon on that one. Jones. Sarah, that's 50 Shades of Green. What are you laughing at, Sarah? Come on now. Peter, how you doing? Peter, how you doing? Like button. Hit it, baby. A keeper. J-Bones. Look, I don't know about you guys, but I got into Mullen yesterday, right? Did not get out just yet. I probably missed my opportunity to get out at 30 cents. From that 25-cent mark, highly considering ending my Mullen trade here at 26 cents and not even taking a 10% gain. But all day today, giving back major gains. So I am in at 25 flat. It bounced off 25 flat. I think there's some decent support at 25, and that's a 1% gain. I do not like Mullen Auto. I do not want to necessarily hold Mullen Auto, so I do not mind at all taking a 1% gain and getting out of that trade right there. I would say decent amount of money, so it's not, I do not want to bag hold Mullen. That would be the dumbest stock for me to bag hold with how much I think that Mullen is plagued. So I am highly considering putting a stop loss on right here at 25, guaranteeing a 1% gain. Dude, 1% gain in less than 24 hours is not a bad gain at all. If you can stack 1% gains every single day, you're going to be a multi-trillionaire. So I may end up putting a stop loss on or take profit, whatever you want to call it, here at 25. No, in a minute, 25 flat. Just ending those options trades with break-evens on the options and getting out with a 1% would be fine with me. Last thing I want to do, man, is bag hold Mullen Auto today. That is not what I'm looking forward to. Good news is it might be bouncing off, so please, somebody keep an eye on that if I get distracted during this stream or something. But I did not put the take profit on there just yet. My gosh, big clay the whole time. Did not put the stop loss on there just yet. Highly considering it, though, after today's pullback. But it's pulling back, I think, with the overall market pulling back a little bit today. So it's not just weakness in Mullen Auto. As you guys can see, AMC down a little, Shiba down a little, GameStop down a little, the overall market down a little. You've got the NASDAQ sitting 0.12% lower, GameStop 0.21% lower, AMC 20.21% lower, GameStop 1.13% lower. Doge, that's up slightly. Ethereum's up slightly. Shiba's down slightly. Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin's a savage. Bitcoin backed up to 26,000. Doesn't care about Binance and Coinbase. Mullen sitting at 0.27% higher on the day. Sundial, $1.41. You've got the SPY, $4.41. Big BBIG sitting at $1.90. Highcroft Mining, 32 cents. Netflix, $4.38. Pulling back a little bit. QQQ, $3.70. Break even today. MPW at $9. Tesla, $259. $260, baby. Let's go, Tesla. And OVIX sitting at $14.26. J-Bones is a rich man. We got PID sitting at $18.19 and Joby sitting at $7.58, down 4.48% on the day today. You know what? Let's watch Bitcoin, but guys, keep an eye on this one right here. If this starts turning red, let me know, and we'll fix that. Richie's Play Talk. Thank you very much for the super chat. What's your thoughts on Elmo? Richie, without looking at where Elmo's at right now, okay, I will pull that up as I'm speaking here. But I think Elmo has done very well. Elmo is, a lot of people talk about it in here. It's nowhere near as highly traded as like Milady and Pepe and so on. So that could lend to the fact that it's had a slightly steadier graph. But I do like the fact that Elmo has hit higher highs and it's hit higher lows since its inception. So let's take a look at Elmo, where it's at right now, and we'll go from there. Milady, guys. Refresh Milady. Milady's sitting at... Dude, Milady's still doing well. Up another 33% today after a 33% gain yesterday. Meme coins coming back, guys? I don't know. What's Pepe doing? Pepe's up a little bit as well, guys. 7% on Pepe. ELMOERC. Elmo. 1.8 cents. So... if we're looking at, I don't want that. If we're looking at the all-time graph of Elmo, boom, it's starting to either curl over, but it doesn't have the same ascending trend line on the higher highs, and it hasn't been able to bounce back off this level of support as nicely. So what you're looking at are the higher highs and higher lows being hit. Now, I do like that sustainability, and I don't know if that's because, people are forcing themselves to hold, because Elmo does have a pretty decent tax on it, or what. But I like the fact that when it pulls back, it's a profit-taking pullback. This is not a massive decline or a massive loss. With that being said, Rich, I don't know anything that these guys are doing. I don't know anything about the team. I've never seen a single tweet. I've never really seen anything from their community other than what we've looked at here on the chart. So me looking at this chart, it had a very nice go of it right at the beginning. And I don't know if you're going to see 006 again, or if you're going to be sitting in the 1.5 cent range. The good news is this 1.5 cent mark, 1.6 cents, all the way down to, what is this right here? 1.1 cent. This seems to be a fairly strong level of support. Please emphasize fairly strong level of support. You've only got a month worth of data out there. So you're working with a very short-term graph in terms of where Elmo's supports are right now. Obviously, it can be detached from the overall crypto market because it does have such a low market cap. But, Elmo's one that I am skeptical of because of the tax and how high the tax is and whether or not people will continue to trade, I think, like a 10% tax, right? Let's see. 10% sell tax. Okay, so you've got to make at least a 10% gain before you can break even. So please keep that in mind. But it should encourage holding, right? It should encourage holding. Let's see, and you guys can get it on a couple different centralized exchanges as well if you want. I don't dislike Elmo. I'm not in love with it because I don't necessarily love these smaller coins with higher taxes, but I do not dislike it. It's not something that I would say stay away from at all. I'm concerned. I'm up $103 in the last 30 minutes. My paper trade account trading Tesla, and I'm doing one put for 260 at a big price, then immediately selling for ask when they always fill. I don't know why this works. Let's see. I'm doing one put for 260 at a big price, and immediately selling for the ask, and they always fill. Let's see. Yeah, here's the thing, and I don't know if your paper trades are going to be different than what you're going to see on, in the actual market. I've actually had, I heard a noise. I've actually had some paper trading accounts before, not on Webull, but I've had some paper trading accounts before in like Forex futures, okay? And the paper trading was much different than the actual trading. So if you're looking at the options chain right now, I would be highly skeptical, okay, that you are going to immediately get the ask price if you are selling it. You can, yes, immediately get the bid price when you sell. That will be. You can go click that button right there and immediately get that. Immediately getting the ask when you sell is not always going to happen. So that may simply be on your paper trade account. But, dude, if you're trying to scalp some options, it is a possibility to scalp some options on Tesla or any other stock. Tesla options are very heavily traded. Tesla, Apple, the SPY, immediately you go click that button and you're going to be able to sell it there. I don't know if you said what price. Doing one put for 260. So if you're selling puts or buying puts, okay, at 260, yeah, you can go in there, and I don't know what price you're getting, but you would pay $257, and you would immediately be down 4 cents. You would immediately be down what, $4, $40, right? No, $4, 4 times the 100. You're gonna immediately down $4 on those 260 puts right there. So I would watch out and be a little bit skeptical of whether or not that goes up. Clearly, if the stock price drops down, look, if you would have bought those puts at 260 for 257, you're already down 14 cents on them. You're already down 14 cents times the 100. You're already down $14. So paper trading can be great, but just watch your strategy, man. I guess see if it is something that you could take over and move into real life, because there is a difference sometimes when it comes to fills when you're looking at the actual market versus paper trading market. Tesla doing pretty well. Those puts that were at 260 at 257, I think a minute ago, are now down to 229. So the price does seem to be falling, and it seems to be falling quickly. So watch out for it. Unless, of course, you're selling those puts, and then you can buy them back at a cheaper price. You'd be doing better there. So Tesla, man, Tesla looking beautiful over the last 2 months there. My goodness, man. And yeah, we can look at options a little bit more if you guys want to look into some options a little bit more. Elmo looks good, man. Aruba Sue liking Elmo. We need more action and hype for Elmo. Richie's playing talk. I do agree. It does need some more volume. For some reason, it's one of the lesser mentioned meme coins. Milady, Pepe, those guys are taking a lot of the spotlight. Pika just roasted me today. She woke up and I love it when Pika wakes up and she's like the thunderbolt Pika, man. When Pika's got a little attitude, I like it. She's getting ready to throw some thunderbolts everywhere. It's perfect. Everybody loves a spunky little Pika. Dark, get all started when you kill me with a cucumber in Rumble. Pikachu never forgets. There you go, Pika. I have an alert set up for when Bitcoin moves more than 1% in 1 minute. It triggered on today's dump to 25,200. I'm now wishing I was ready and had opened a Bitcoin long. Old rounder bro, man, especially after the nice little bounce that you had. Boom, that 1 minute chart right there, dumping, and then finding a nice rally afterwards. So yeah, that would have been nice, dude, if you were able to somehow get in at 25,100. I don't know if you leverage your trades or not, but 25,100, you could have made some decent money watching it jump back up to 25,700, 25,800 what's that right now. Stig meter! 8 months of bro, man. Anybody else so ready for all the FUD to end so we can make many monies? Me, Stig. Me, man. I am ready. Look at this hair right here, just doing whatever it wants. Stig, me, man. I'm ready for all of the nonsense. Not necessarily FUD, dude, but all the nonsense just to end, man. I don't want to sit here and worry about the SEC and lawsuits and regulation and that stuff anymore. I want them to get it over with and just let the cryptocurrency market thrive, man. Stocks too, but stocks, I'm a little bit more optimistic on stocks right now. Stocks have been doing pretty well. J-Bones, baby, 24 months bro. And J-Bones, I do have your hoodie. It is not made, but I do have your hoodie, and I will get that sent out. My dude, 24 months bro. The first 24-month super chat. J-Bones, baby, deserves a congratulations. And look at that right there, man. That's a new icon, right? Is that a new icon for J? Like, is J-Bones the only one with that icon? Oh my! I wonder if YouTube allows icons beyond. I'm gonna have to check that out. I wonder if YouTube allows icons beyond the 24-month range. J-Bones, baby, absolutely killing it. J-Bones. The Punisher bro right there. I love it, man. Congratulations to J-Bones. First one to reach a 24-month member chat. I know for a fact, okay, Stephanie bro is right behind you. I think Mr. Simon's right behind you. JB's pretty close behind you. Chris is kind of close. I don't know if Chris is as close as the others, but Chris is pretty close behind you as well. And if AMC Trapper's still in here, that dude's been around for a while too. But J-Bones, man, thank you very much. 2 years, bro, man. Loving it, J-Bones. That's okay. It's okay. I'm not megging you anymore. Pika, bro, and you can forget about that delicious salad I had planned. Ooh, Dark Bro coming in hot, man. How's it going, bro? It's your bud from TikTok. What's going on? Patrick, man, how you doing? Glad to have you in here. Appreciate you. And, yeah, Pat, man, I remember. I'm glad that you're in here, dude. Finally, somebody stepping up over from TikTok, coming to hang out in a YouTube live stream. Thank you very much, Pat. I need more. 79 Cessna is looking pretty nice. Let's go, guys. Whoa, Jones is making us all look like peasants today. Seriously, congratulations. All you peasants, bow down to J-Bones, baby. J-Bones, way to go. I love you. Yo, Patrick, how you doing, bro? Yeah, Dark Bro. Dark Bro hangs out on TikTok as well. I haven't been on TikTok in a while, though. But nice on that one. Come on, man. You guys are supposed to remind me if this goes down back into the red right here. Golly bum, dude. The volatility on this is just making me want to exit right now. Sitting at 26. So what do you guys think, man? Maybe I'll let you think about this one here. I'm in at 25 cents, right? It's sitting at 26 cents. No, it's 25.75. So selling off pretty heavy. Mullen is not something. Golly. Oh man, it's 25.60. Mullen is not something that I want to hold. I do think that Mullen stock is plagued. Decent level of support in this area at 25.25. I may just put a stop loss on at 25.25 for a 1% gain. See what happens with it. But I would love, man, for just a little bit of room to be made here and a little bit of, I guess, cushion in terms of Mullen, but it's not something that I want to hold. So what do you guys think, man? You think stop loss? You think let it go? Or what do we got in terms of that? J-Bones, baby! I love it, man. Coming in with a super chat. J-Bones says, been a wild 2 years. Very happy I stumbled upon Neckbeard in the channel. I love it, dude. Appreciate the knowledge you have shared, not only about the market, but life as well. Appreciate you and the rest of the bros. J-Bones, baby. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely appreciate that. That very kind word there, dude. Very kind word. And you know what? That makes me That makes me feel good, dude. Makes me feel good that somebody, somewhere out there has been willing to hang out and be my friend for 2 years. So, J-Bones, man, thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate you being in here every day, man. You're a huge part of the bros. And, yeah, dude, unfortunately, you're stuck with us. Nah, you got to remain a bro for life. Because we need you, J-Bones. We need you. Don't forget about Dark's Uni. Dark sent a Uni? I didn't even say. Oh, yes. The noise that I forgot about Pika. Pika coming in with that one. Yes. So where we at? Gotta find it right here. Been a member for 8 months. Yes. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, this one. This is the one that I missed. For Dark Batman. Yes, for Dark Batman. I did forget about Dark's unicorn right there. Pika power. Dark bro, this is for you. Thank you very much, Pika Power, for the super chat, for the unicorn, and for roasting Dark Bro this morning. I absolutely love it. Dark Bro, man, you're being a good sport, dude. Love it. And hopefully you enjoyed that unicorn just for you from Pika. I did miss it. Quick question. Do you think it's a good time? Whoa, what is happening to my mouse? Going back down. Quick question. Do you think it's a good time to add more to my AMC share count? Holding over 3,800 shares already, but the price is so sexy not to buy. So, Patrick, here's my thoughts on AMC right now, okay? If you're still buying for a short squeeze, it is going to be heavily dependent on what Adam Aaron does in this lawsuit. I myself, and a lot of people in here, but they may disagree with me, right? I myself believe that if Adam Aaron is successful in converting shares of Ape back into AMC, that a short squeeze is all but off the table. It's all but out of the cards, man. Why do I say that? Because hedge funds already own like 200 million shares of Ape. If we convert those to AMC, and you're only looking at the numbers being reported, the hedge funds are going to have more shares than they have shorted. They will easily be able to cover because they already own those shares and they don't need to buy them from you or me or anybody else. So I am highly skeptical of a nice price increase due to Ape converting into AMC. But I do agree, okay, that AMC is sitting on some decent levels of support right now. This $4 to like $4.50 down to $3.90 range is a massive level of support. So if you're looking at that right there, you can see, dude, the area that we're in, boom, support, boom, support, boom, 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 support in this 450 range. Yes, below that, 377, this big purple line is another level of support if it does decide to come down. But let me tell you something. If you are sitting on 3,800 shares of AMC, you can sell 38 options. I don't know what your cost average is, but because AMC is so volatile, and because AMC has such like a high following, you can generate a lot of income on 3,800 shares of AMC here. Look at the call options. And if you're unfamiliar, do your own research, all that good stuff. But, dude, if you're looking at calls, okay, this is for today, right? Highly skeptical that AMC gets up to $5 per share today based on its stagnation. It's just sitting at break even. But, dude, you can make $38. You just go out there and sell a $5 call right now. I don't know what your break even is, right? If you get called away at $5, I don't know if you're going to be happy or upset. But $38, man. Just for selling that call right there, and it's got to go up a decent amount, 25 cents, by the end of the day today for you to even get called away. Now, next week's a short week. It might not be as volatile, but dude, if you're starting to look at the levels that you are going to be capable of generating some income, dude, if you're selling those 550 calls, which we haven't touched 550 in a while, you're looking at $380 that you're going to make next week just by making that sale right there. And you're not going to get called away unless it goes to $5.50 a share. Closes above $5.50 next week. Dude, you want to start talking for real? I mean, look at $6.50. When's the last time AMC has touched $6.50? $38 bucks. You're looking at $150, man. $152 by selling some calls at $6.50. You're making nearly $120 if you're selling these $7 calls. You could generate some decent income. Dude, if you're just looking at monthlies, man, if you want to go a month out to the middle of July and you don't think it's going to go above $6, dude, you make $1,200. I mean, you're generating some solid income selling these shares of AMC or selling these calls on AMC simply because they are so volatile and so many people are interested in buying call options because they're still infatuated with the squeeze. So if you've got more questions about calls, please ask them. But dude, you should highly be considering generating $1,000 a month or something on your shares of AMC that you've just got sitting out there, man. So don't let that money go to waste. If you're only here for a short squeeze and you believe that tomorrow it could be at $1,000 a share or something, maybe don't mess around with them. But you're looking at $9, dude. $9 next month. What are the chances it's gonna be back up at $9? That's $380. The 10 cents that you can make right there, $380. Okay, highly consider $380 every month in income that you could be generating, and that's pretty far out. I mean, if you're looking back here, $5, you're generating well over $1,000. The options on AMC are juicy, man. Don't let anybody tell you you're a shill for making money. I mean, highly consider it, man. $25.50 on Mullen Auto. Did you guys ever answer me? What should I be doing? Also, note for anyone that pays for lawn service, if you want something extra done, come out and ask. Leaving a note saying, please feel free. Stop here. Stop there. You boys learn from that. Yes. Come out and ask. Don't please feel free to edge all of the mulch beds. I like it, Chris. Stop the presses on Mullen. I average my shares down to 20 cents. And if they go below that, I'm averaging again. Here's why Mullen Auto is talking to Elon Musk. Okay, very interesting. But I don't want to bag hold. I don't want to bag hold Mullen at all, man. I'm not trying to average down on Mullen. I'm actually highly considering just getting out right this minute if it doesn't bounce off that line right there. Mullen is not something that I am comfortable with, or not something that I like, man. I don't want to bag hold Mullen at all, which is why I'm considering just taking my 1% gain that I got right now and moving on with that 1% gain, man. What do you guys think on it? Let me know, because it's going down, man. It's going down. I don't want to wait for it to bounce. It's sitting there. 25.30. You take it. What do you guys think, man? Take it or let it bounce. Oh man, Mullen Auto. That's it. No dancing with the devil, please. Yes, don't do that. Someone needs to create a YouTube 2.0 with a different name. YouTube 3.0. YouTube 2.0 with a different name will be YouTube 3.0. What do you think about that, roulette wheel? I think it's a great idea, man. Let's see what J Bone said. Keep, did you hear you had a king? No one asked me or Uncle Mo if that was okay. It's true, man. J Bones needs to be consulted. All right, what do you guys think on Mullen here, man? I think I might close that bad boy out, dude. I don't want to sit here and bag hold Mullen Auto for major losses. We just post a green line. Give me some sort of a cushion here, Mullen. Double bottom at 25, or do we let it go for a 1% gain? This is ridiculous. Highly considering. What do you guys think, man? Scrap a little bit? I think maybe scrap a little bit, dude. I don't know. It needs to bounce a little bit more, I guess. Oh, boy. All right, coming back to the chat for a second, since nobody is answering me. Let's see. Yeah, what Jones said. Baby. Thanks for the input, bud. Chat with you on TikTok. Make it a great day. But hey, you too, Patrick. Hope it's the best day ever. Hey, Rose, I missed you all. Jennifer, so glad to have you back, Jen. What are you doing, man? We need you in here more. Let it bounce. Hey, Lith88. All right, somebody answer me. Lith88 says let it bounce. We'll see if we double bottom off 25. If it starts to break below 25, I trust me. I'll cut a loss with a little bit of a loss there, dude. I don't care. I'm not bag holding Molinado. The subscriber base for companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, etc. is simply too large to compete against them. Aruba Sue, I agree, man. It's massive. Brozone coming soon. Way better than YouTube. I like it. Dark bro, man. Let's get started. Clay, do you think Mol will make a good long-term hold? DD214. So it is possible, right? I don't want to hold Molinado long-term. I don't even want to hold Molinado beyond today unless I get a decent cushion. I mean, I think it could be a long-term hold, but it's not a long-term hold for me. This is its graph, dude. I do not like graphs like this. Mullen has done nothing but come down. Mullen was in a much better position when they were making money. So if you want to... Oops. I don't know where that was. If you want to hold them until they start making money again, okay, great. But dude, look at just the last month. There's no green lines on the chart. It's something that I wanted a short-term trade. And the crazy thing is, it's already lost like 20+% today. It was at 32 cents this morning. And has already declined from that 32-cent mark that was reached pre-market. I think their stock price is plagued for one reason or another. If you want to hold them until they make money, absolutely. Hold them until they make money. I do think at that point, they're going to be a good hold. They've only got like a $50 or $60 million valuation right now, so they are a very small company. They claim to have 38 cents per share in cash on hand. So that's what caused a little bit of the bounce yesterday, but already today it's fading. Mullen cannot sustain a gain, and I do not know why, but that's just the way it is. I have done well, making 5 and 10% gains on Mullen Auto. I've actually made 2 or 3 trades on Mullen, and each time I have made money. I've never lost money on Mullen, and I'm not trying to bag hold Mullen down to 2 cents per share. But yeah, I do think that they could be a decent long-term. They've got to, if they start making money, man, they've got to go up. They're only worth $50 million right now. They've got more cash than the current stock price is worth. Mullen to $174. I would love Mullen Auto to go to $174, but I don't want to hold it down to 20 cents before it bounces up to $174. I just don't trust the company. Let's see. 2 ticks, yes. Don't be a Kramer, Gianluca, or Bitcoin, something. Or Gianluca, man, I might have missed what you originally said there. I'm beginning to hate on Robinhood again, with them delisting some of the crypto. Yeah, Jennifer. Robinhood basically saying any crypto that the SEC labeled a security, they're delisting. Webull. Hate on Webull too now, because Webull delisting all cryptocurrencies. Okay, Webull's actually, they're going a little bit of a different strategy there. They're creating a new app, or already have another app called Webull Pay, and you'll be able to trade and buy and sell your cryptocurrencies on that app. It's probably more of like a Cashapp type of a deal than their investment app is. But Webull Pay is where all of their cryptocurrency action is going to be taking place. Should I get into mining Bitcoin? If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. You know what, Mr. Brian, I think that Kenneth said he mines Picoin. I've never mined Picoin. I've mined some other cryptocurrencies, but Picoin is not one that I have done. So Kenneth might be able to give you some information on that if I am correct, right? Let's see. When the market bounces, Mullen should bounce too. Yeah, DD214, I agree, man. It's such a bad graph. And it's sitting right there at that break even now. I would have made the 1% and got out. If it doesn't bounce here, man, this is the double bottom off of 25. I might just take that loss now if it falls down below 25. But you've got that double bottom coming in right at the 25 mark, so... If it falls through, dude, I think I'll take a slight loss on it. If it bounces back up, all right, great. I don't want to hold it, though. Let's see. Paying bro coin on Brozone. Very nice, Dark Bro. Let's see here. Rivian could be better than Mullen. Rivian might be a better company than Mullen Auto is right now, man. Mullen is just a very dangerous stock to me because the losses are so stinking heavy. They might not be justified, but they are heavy losses, and it's just it's a crazy stock, man. I think that they should be trading much higher than they are. But they just lose and lose and lose. Will Weeble transfer your present crypto holdings to the new platform? Yes, DD214. So I think that their notification said starting Monday. It's going to roll out in phases, okay? Starting Monday, you are not going to be able to access, buy, sell, or trade crypto on the Weeble app. Everything that you own, if you own crypto there, will be moved over to Weeble Pay. If you do not want a Weeble Pay account, they're going to open up a Weeble Pay account for anybody with a Weeble crypto account. If you do not, for some reason, want a Weeble Pay account, you have to opt out of it. I'm not opting out of it, but I don't think that I'll be using Weeble Pay for crypto. I'll let them create an account for me. I don't care, but it's probably not something that I'm going to be using. So if you guys have crypto on Weeble, you either got to get out of it this weekend or consider using. And by get out of it, I either mean close it out on Weeble, or if it's Bitcoin, transfer it to a different wallet. Otherwise, you're going to be moving over to Weeble Pay automatically. Let's see. Weeble didn't wobble. They fell to their knees. All these exchanges are falling to their knees, man. It's ridiculous. They're just bowing down to the SEC. It's crazy, man. Dang, look at that green line on Mullen. That's the kind of green lines we need, man. Give me a little bit of a cushion here. Come on. Let's see. Chill coin still rolling. It's slow and steady. There you go, Kombu. Sometimes slow and steady gains are the best. I'm ready to get my pennies out of Voyager. Chris, dude, I have been dying for months to get my pennies out of Voyager, dude. I'm upset that we're only getting 35%. And I know for a fact they're never going to give us the additional 35%. They're never going to go after 3 arrows. They're not going to get anything from them. I am dying to get my money off of Voyager, man. It's sickening that these companies can file bankruptcy like that and take all of your assets that they hold because they lent them out to their friends to go squander. Let's see. Didi, I made a king. Stashed clay sticker for YouTube. Oh, where is this sticker, Pika? I think that sticker is right there. Save image. Yes. Congratulatory mustache, bro. I like it. Let's save it to the desktop. It is saved to the desktop. All right, now let's see if I can do this. Because I know I'm going to... Golly bum, dude, it's not a red line. Just give me the green line so I can be okay. Listen, here's what's going to happen. You guys start screaming if Mullen rips lower. This volatility is nuts. I'm going to go check YouTube real quick and see if I can upload that mustache, bro. Mullen better not bust that line to the downside and take my money. It better have a nice green line to the upside by the time I get back. You guys scream if you see something, all right? Keep me informed. I'm going to come out here to YouTube really quick. Where do I go on YouTube? Let me see. I think I go here. Right. Is it this? Ooh, I can. I don't know if it's because I got members out there, but I can put an image. I can do a 3-year and a 4-year emoji for you guys. All right, let's see. Ah, yeah. I can add so many emojis, it's not even funny. What do you mean special characters? Oh, we'll just call it mustache. All right, that's got to be smaller. I got to make that smaller. It's only allowed to be 1 megabyte. My gosh, dude, 1 megabyte. How big is it? It's 2 megabytes. Pika, I'm not going to make it smaller during the live, but if you want to make that smaller, it's currently 2.6 megabytes. If you want to make it 1 megabyte, that's the max size that I can get for YouTube stickers. So that's got to be a little bit smaller there. Then I can put it on there. It's just got to be smaller. All right, I'm going to come back out here. Hold on, guys. I got to come back into the live stream now so I get back to the live chat. You guys are keeping me away from the live chat. All right, what do we got? What do we got? No! JB, man. It's going the right way. You guys are supposed to scream if it goes the wrong way. You're screaming. It was. Oh, now you can scream. Throwing these stupid red lines on the chart, man. What are you doing, Mullen? You're killing me. Again, they still don't have it listed, do they? Something I might have missed. Let's see. Just holding buying the dips to the end of 24. Hoping the bull run in 2025. So come on, 2025 for crypto. Just hope some centralized exchanges will still be around. CD Wit, me too, man. And they should be. You guys stop screaming. Susan did this. Susan did it to me. What happened? These guys are messing with me, man. They're trying to mess with my Mullen Auto over there. It's supposed to go up. It had a nice little candle, but these guys started screaming and brought it back down. Now I'm sitting on today a pretty strong line for it. Where can I find Mullen over the last couple of months? Just over the last 2 months, or a month and a half, you know, Mullen went from $2 to 25 cents. Talking a 90% decline over the last month and a half. So Mullen is just plagued by red candles. Yesterday was a decent day. Even this morning was a decent day, touching 30 cents, but already giving up nearly 20% on the day. That is a huge daily loss, man. 20%. So that's why I'm okay. If it doesn't get a bounce here off this $25 line, I'm okay giving this one up. It's not something that I'm going to bag hold and take down to 20 cents or 15 cents or 5 cents or whatever Mullen ends up coming down to before it bounces there. I would love to go into the weekend a little bit padded, but I really do not know if it's going to get that bounce off 25 cents. So we'll let it go for a minute. Don't get distracted by it. We'll watch Bitcoin down to the bottom left and see what happens there. If you looked at Elmo, Railroad, yes. We looked at Elmo a little bit earlier today. Elmo looking pretty good. 1.8 cents today? Bouncing off those 1.5 cent lows or support levels that we have there. And Elmo's one that a couple people in here are pretty excited about, man. So yeah, we've looked at Elmo. I'm beginning to like Bitcoin. Everything is swinging wildly up and down, but Bitcoin is still holding straight. It's crazy, roulette wheel. Bitcoin does seem to not care about all of the nonsense. It might get hit when people are shocked by some news, but dude, Bitcoin seems to be like, I guess expressing its dominance, man. Bitcoin really does seem to want to hold its ground. Peter, so do I. I missed something. I hope it does, Sarah. Do you really think that XRP is going to explode or not? So, Sarah, let me put it this way. I do really like the long-term potential of XRP, all right? I think that XRP is a company. I think that XRP has a chance at losing to the SEC. If anything in the crypto space is going to be or should be considered a security, it would be XRP. I mean, they are a legitimate company doing business. Now, it is strange that they do business in XRP, and it's a necessity, and all of these things can be argued that, therefore XRP is not a security. But I'll say this. I do think that if XRP wins the lawsuit, yes, you see a nice spike. Sustainable spike? Probably not. So, take some profits or whatever if you guys want. You'll probably be able to get back in at a lower position after the hype kind of fades away. But long term, I really do not see why Ripple cannot have a $1 trillion plus valuation. That doesn't necessarily mean that XRP is trading at $1 trillion, but why couldn't Ripple, a global financial leader, one day be worth $1 trillion? And if that's reflected in the price of XRP, yes. I do see potentially 50x plus gains in XRP as it grows as a company and becomes more utilized across the world. They're one of the front runners. They've got first mover advantage when it comes to blockchain technology being used in international finance. You don't become a $1 trillion company overnight. You don't even become a $1 billion company overnight. So even if it does take a decade, and you're waiting a decade to see 50x gains, I do think that that's a possibility if these guys continue to grow as a business. So yes, I do, but I think that the SEC will either want to own them or destroy them before they get there. So it's not going to be easy to see something like that happen. Yes, DD214, excellent question. Should I take my profit? Let's put it this way. Should I close out my position on Mullen Auto right now? Without a doubt. Oh, God. Oh, it says without a doubt, man. Without a doubt. You know what? Let's just have some fun. Should I do it then? Should I listen to the 8-ball? It says without a doubt, man. Should I listen to the 8-ball on that one or not? DD214 had a pretty good one. The 8-ball tells me without a doubt I should close out my position on Mullen Auto. Good news is, if we close out now and it rips higher, we can blame the 8-ball for being incorrect. Great news is, if I close out now and it rips lower, the 8-ball was absolutely right. So which one should it be? Let's see. Bro, XRP went to $1 trillion. A burger would be... No. Dark bro. $1 trillion valuation. Not a $1 trillion price point, man. Because that would be insane. What I'm saying is Ripple could have a market cap of $1 trillion. Right now, XRP's got a valuation of, I believe, around $25 to $30 billion. So it would be about a 50x increase in the price of XRP, assuming they don't issue anymore, which they can do if they need to or want to. Whoa! Pika power! Oh, we gotta go bigger. Pika power! Thank you. Thank you for the mustache. We've got a king. We've got a King Burrito. King Burrito for you, Pika power. Pika, thank you very much for the mustache. Thank you very much for the mustache. Pika power. Absolutely love that super chat, man. That is one of the best ones. Really appreciate it, Pika. And I don't know if that was a King Burrito for King J-Bones, what we got going on now. But yes, a congratulatory King Mustache. Ladies and gentlemen, Pika, thank you very, very much for that super chat. I'm telling you, that's one of the more fun ones. It's one of the more fun ones to do, so I absolutely appreciate it. Pika, thank you very, very much. Did anybody answer me? Should we actually do what the 8-ball just said there and close out of Mullen or not? You guys are slow. You guys are slow to let me know, man. Slow to let me know. All right, where are we coming here? We've got Chris talking in the chat. Had to hop out. Glad to catch the butt end of the stream, but you wiped first. Or did I? I did, man. I did. Or did I leave and come back? Got another click on the video. Guys, leave and come back as many times as you want, because I'm telling you, every time, it's like, dude, picture me, man. I'm sitting here with my hands out begging. Okay, I'm begging for you guys to click that video. Why? Because every time you do, you basically give me, if you view the first ad, if you're generous, right, and you've got a soul, and you watch the first one for 12 seconds and then skip the second one, whew, dude, you just doubled the YouTube revenue. But every time you do, man, it's like dropping a third to a half of a cent down in the cup. All you gotta do is click that button, man. All you gotta do is click that button. And you know what? No, you really can help people out. If you click the button on their YouTube video, even if you don't watch the video, but you click it and you let that first ad play, man, you know, if people just realize, and everybody did that, dude, it would change the game, man. It really would change the game. 8-ball don't lie. Limitless says, close it out now, man. It's too funny. I have a magic 8-ball in my office. Well, I'm telling you right now, Jen, it says It says fix your hair. It says get out of Molinado right now. Do it. Dark Bro says, all right, you guys say do it, man. Maybe we do it. Gotta go. Have a great weekend, everybody. Saturday, 50 Shades of Green, man. I hope you come back this evening just for a minute to click that like button. Appreciate you being in here. Enjoy your weekend as well. And always, stay green, Sarah. We love it. Cool, boo. Bye, Sarah. Later, Sarah. Absolutely. What do we got going on? Let's check out Molinado right now. It is sitting at 25.24 at the moment. Not able to bounce back up out of this level. So I think we got a little bit of a channel going on here over the last half hour on Molinado. 25.25 down to 25 flat, ladies and gentlemen. Molinado unable to break up. But if it does, we're going to have a little bit of a breakout. So let's see what happens in this tiny little channel for Molinado down there. My gosh, I was supposed to be Big Weeble, Little Clay, but we were Big Weeble, Big Clay, Little Weeble. Now we're on it. J-Bones, baby, rocking that bro skull. Oh, yes, J-Bones, love it, dude. My King Turkey is getting better. Watch out, Clay, bro. It better be, man. You guys better be practicing that King Turkey call. If you're not, I don't know what you're doing. Dude, you're not doing it right. Oh, you know what I should do? I should authorize myself some hydration again. Check this out. Guys, if you were not here at the beginning of the live stream, Pat sent a super chat through Streamlabs when we weren't even streaming. Says Clay, hope all is well. Missing the streams and the bro fam, but never a chance to hydrate. I'll take it. Send my regards to everyone and have an awesome day. Says 9,835 hydrations remaining. If you guys see Pat in the Discord, if you guys talk to him anywhere else, make sure to say what's up to him. Tell him we miss him, all that good stuff. We're thinking about him. We do hope that work is going well for him, but I'll take that authorized hydration all day. I'll hydrate again. Pat, man, thank you very much. I know you might not be listening right now, but absolutely appreciate the Streamlabs super chat, even when we're not streaming, dude, and any chance for authorized hydration. So thank you very much. Mullen, Class 1 electric vehicle cargo van sales start in September. $34,500, $7,500 tax credit total. Dude, that's not bad at all, Ken. If they're actually going to be doing that, man, and you can walk away with an electric cargo van for, oh man, what is that, 27,000? Dude, that is a steal. If you can walk away with an electric cargo van for 27,000, that's a steal. I don't know how they're gonna price cars that low, considering everything else. Like, dude, you can't go to a dealer and get a car for 27,000 after your tax credits. So, dude, if they can accomplish that and make money on it, Mullen's gonna be good. Do I want to hold him till September? I don't know, man, because starting in September, Mullen might be trading at the equivalent of like a half a cent if they reverse split again. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the stream. Lab, super chat. Pika says, rest in production, Pat. We miss you. We miss you, not mess you. We don't mess you, Pat. We miss you, man. And stay productive. Did she authorize my hydration, or did I just take that because I said Pat's name? I gotta look. Was there any authorized? Ooh, there was some authorized hydration. Pika Power, thank you very much for that super chat. The authorized hydration. And we really do miss Pat, guys. Not because he sends a super chat, not because he authorizes hydration all the time, but dude, you know, you guys, when you're in here every day and you're active like that and you become a part of the community, you become a bro, man. And like, the live stream, I'm the guy on screen, right? Okay, I get that. But what is the chat without Chris? You know, what's the chat without Ken or Hemi or Roulette Wheel or on down the line, dude? I'm not going to name everybody because then if I leave somebody out, you guys get the picture, though. We do miss you. And then people start to ask, oh, you know, like, there's a lot of people that were very, very active during AMC. And I get it. Like, if we don't talk about AMC as much, we're not as optimistic about AMC. You might not want to hang out in here if AMC is your bread and butter and that's your focus. But, dude, we start to miss you, man. And then people begin to ask, you know, where's Rocket? Where's Brett? Where's Natalie or Lauren or Marine Corps Brat? Stuff like that. And, yeah, dude, it's more than just the stocks and crypto that we talk about. And you guys might not view it that way. I don't know. I view it that way. It's more than just the stocks and crypto. If it was just stocks and crypto, I don't even know if I would do a live stream. I'd probably just do videos and leave it at that. But this is what I view is actually building up a community, building people who care about each other, who are going to look out for each other, and at the very minimum, encourage each other. Like, my gosh, dude, I don't care if you go buy Elmo or if you go have a D-Day party at the end of the day. Don't go, this is not me recommending to go have a D-Day party today, Chris. But, I really don't care. It's not my money. I would make different decisions than some people on some things, sure. But you guys can do whatever the heck you want to do with your money. You earned it. You spend it however the heck you want to spend it. But, right, I think that, Chris would feel good encouraging somebody else and shedding his insight and his perspective on things in here. And the same thing, we can all learn from each other, we can all grow from each other, and we can, very importantly, all be encouraged by each other to not only make it through bear markets, make it through these tough times, but, dude, anything you guys got going on in life. Am I right, Chris? What do you say? Clay, real quick, what's Matt's disturbing thumbnail talking about? The quadruple witching thing again. Remember, that was talked about when I first joined the market. Yeah. Let's see what quadruple witching is. There's 4 things that are all happening at the same day. So, like triple witchings and quadruple witchings. Let's see what all, because I forget what all 4 things come through at the same time. So, all right, quadruple witching. What takes place during a quadruple witching event? Let's see all 4 of these things here. We've got quadruple witching, a date on which contracts for index futures, stock futures, index options, and stock options expire simultaneously. So, like normally every Friday, you've got stock options expiring. Not every Friday do you have options on futures expiring as well. So every now and then, the monthlies and potentially the quarterlies and the dailies, like you do have some daily options that you can get on like stock options indexes on Webull. They all expire at the same time. So the idea is, man, without going into and reading all of these things, quadruple witching refers to the simultaneous expiration of all 4 of those things. Quadruple witching, which is given way to a triple witching since single stock futures stopped trading in the U.S. in 2020. This event occurs once every quarter or the 3rd Friday of March, June, September, and December. Trading volume typically surges on triple witching days as traders adjust portfolios and roll some contracts. Triple witching does not usually cause increased market volatility. So it is simply people making decisions based on the expirations of their stock options. Okay? It doesn't, and like this is saying, it doesn't usually cause increased volatility, but a lot of people, especially in the short squeeze realm, what they look forward to are options expirations in the money because that could lead to a gamma squeeze, right? And a gamma squeeze, of course, could cause people to be forced to go out there and buy the stock and therefore forced to close their positions if the stock price rises. So I don't know if Matt is, just talking about it in general or if he's talking about it still because he's worried about a short squeeze and a gamma squeeze on AMC and GameStop or what the deal is. But in its most basic form, man, it is just the expiration of stock options and basically stock futures happening on the same day. People going out there and either closing out their positions or rolling their positions over to the next quarter, and it increases the volume on those days. Hey, friggin' since the trip, I've slowed way down. I'm going to have a D-Day probably this weekend, but only because I'm out and not splurging anymore. Gotcha, Chris. Good deal. And Chris, man, I'm picking on you, right? I'm picking on you. You do whatever you want, man. It doesn't have to align with everything that I do, but yeah, dude, I want you to know I'm picking on you, man. Never feel bad about me picking on you. Mr. Brian, 5 months a member. If it sounds like if being a member for 5 months sounds like something you're interested in, like he says, Let's get started. I love it, Mr. Brian, dude. Thank you very much for keeping that green name for 5 months, man. Why Clay blurry? Am I blurry? I don't want to be blurry, dude. I don't want to be blurry. It surely has been a member for quite a while. I just don't know how to figure that out. Jennifer, I don't know. I don't see the green name right now. Also, realizing I hate working for controlling people has made me want to change things and go for my future for real without the life-changing short squeeze dream. Dude, you start working for it right now, Chris. I guarantee you achieve it, man. I guarantee you achieve it. Set yourself on the path, and I guarantee you keep walking forward, you will get there. No, he shaved today. Not blurry. I did not shave. It's all right. Setting myself up, put in the hard work. There you go, Chris. That is exactly what I want to hear. Guys, it's 102. What do you do? I don't know what you're still doing here. It's 102 right now. I don't know if I'm still going to have my Molinado position or not when we get back. You guys can, of course, ask me. If I close it out now and it goes up, we'll feel bad together. If I don't close it out and it goes down, of course, we can feel bad together. So, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do the shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon with a live stream. Appreciate all you guys for coming back. Enjoy your lunch, enjoy your work, whatever you got to do. And we're going to do the shout-out. I see Mom's calling right now, so I'm going to have to get off here anyway and call her back. Guys, do the shout-outs, man. Johan, enjoy your day. Mo G, enjoy your day. Roulette Wheel needs new glasses. He does, man. Mo G, somebody clean them off at least. Pika Power, see you later. We got Chris, man. Enjoy your day. Mr. Brian, Mo G, Pika Power, Lemon Lust, Lisbon. We got J Bones, Chris, man. Mo G, Lemon Lust, Kennedy's Crazy Pose, Lisbon. See you later. Kennedy's Crazy Pose, Dark Bro, SD. Later to you. Pika Power, Chris, man. Diamond Handed Apes, baby. Kalito Farm, staying strong. Gorilla Invictus, Lisbon, Moji, Kombu, 3214, Next Level, J Bones, baby. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.